Okay, so we are beginning the session. If others are joining, we'll let them join. We'll start with the session. Okay. Yeah. So Nishita ma'am was there in the last our Tkinter meet, right? Where we made the calendar. Yes. But Shannon ma'am, I guess she was not there, or she was not doing this.
I was there. Both
We
of
both
us
were there. Only Kathy ma'am was not there that day. She was stuck with the meeting in our school.
Fine. So yeah, here I'll share my screen once to you to show you what we are doing today. I will show you the result mainly. Okay, so this is a color guessing game. Okay, somebody, Kathy ma'am is also joining. Okay, so this is the theme. This is the output screen, which will give you a title color game, and it will type in the color of the word, not the word text. You will understand the game. When I press enter, it starts. Time left would start counting. Now yellow is in brown color written, so I need to type brown, not yellow. It's white. So then only I will get the score. It's written red, but it is in green color. So I need to type green, then only it will increase my score. Right now, I purposefully will type purple to see if my score is increasing or not. No score. Yeah. Then time left is 0 now. Even if I type it red now, it will not accept. Okay, it's over. That's it. Okay, so this is the game for today. It's completely made in Tkinter. I hope it will satisfy your task. Yeah, hi Khyati ma'am, after so long.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good ma'am, how are you doing?
Fine.
Okay, so all of Khyati ma'am was also there when I was explaining the output, right? So this is our theme for today. How to do it? I'll start coding. Okay, who is doing along with me? All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Can you share that Replit link, please, again, if possible?
Oh, okay, wait, yes. It's there in the chat box I'm pasting. Okay, here we go. I'll share my Replit screen. Let me open it first of all. Okay, I hope my Replit screen is visible for you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right.
Replit, we use it for online Python, right?
Yes, it's in our Python editor.
Okay.
Not Python editor, it's an online editor.
No, it's an online
Python.
Okay.
If you have Python ideally, you can type in ideally. Or
No,
Visual
but then,
Studio Code, Python, anything.
Do I need to install Tkinter, right?
No, you don't need to install Tkinter. It's like normally we can do by importing.
Okay, so it's just with the import menu.
You don't need to install. Okay, you can type it in ideally. If you have ideally, if you're comfortable with ideally, type it in ideally, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Nishita, can you also use Notepad++? You have Notepad++.
I am having just one thing. I opened Replit because last time I was already done with the login and process. Ma'am, when we create a Replit, which option we were using? What we used to select?
Python.
In that, I'm getting
Python 3.
So many Python options, except actually.
Python 3.11. That's the latest.
That's the latest. It doesn't matter.
And you can use anything, but it should be with 3 version, not 2 version.
It's not written the version. Python with Turtle, Python with beta version. I think beta may be the version, maybe, or something like that. I'll just take normal Python. Let me see how it works. I'll take the normal one. Fine.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm typing. I have imported 2 libraries. One is Tkinter and another is randoms, because we need a random to
number generator.
Yeah, not number generator. The colors we were seeing, it was happening randomly. That's why we need.
Okay. So did you pick the colors from the array?
From a list.
List.
Yes. So here I'm creating the list of colors. You can also create with your own list of colors. Make sure there are some, because there are 2 colors being involved, one being in text and one being in actual appearance. right? So that's stuff. I keep on typing. Green is there. Pink. I don't know if it will accept if it isn't small. Like this only. Creating the what list here. Okay. So do you understand what is a list? I think in the first class I have explained. First class of Python, I have explained what is a list, right? So if you put it in, declare it a variable and put it in square brackets as a list with comma, separated with comma, then it becomes a list. What is the difference between a list and tuple? A list can be edited and tuple cannot be. So if there is a data which you don't want to edit through the program, then you will declare it as tuple. Purple, okay, purple. There we go. Next thing is we have a variable score, which is going to be 0 in the beginning. We have one more variable, which is time left. You see the time left written there, which was starting from 30th second. So we'll have the same.
So one is the score is increasing and time is decreasing.
Yes, exactly.
Right?
Yes,
Good.
yes. Next is our function, and we will rename it as start game function. And what is it inside? Parameter is event. What is it? It will come through. Now, if time left is equal to 0, 0, then only time left is equal to 30, then only it is supposed to start working, right? If it is 30, then countdown. Okay, countdown is a function there. We are defining countdown later. Right now, we are just calling it countdown
so
function.
Countdown, you mean this is a user defined, right?
Yes. We will define it. We will define it. Now, if time left is done, now it's countdown is not defined in this program till now. That's why it is showing you an error. You can ignore it because we'll definitely define it. So next is our next color. That is also a function. We will define it. Come here. Next. So when the game is supposed to start, when the time left is 30, then only both this function would work. Now coming next, definition, next color, we are going to define this next color function. Okay, here we go. We had two variables there, score and time left. We are making it as global. Done. Now, next color is going to begin if time left is greater than. So why time left is greater than 0? Anywhere when the game is running, this next color function is supposed to work, right? If it is 1, 2, like anything greater than 0, the next color would work. E.focus set is actually, you saw that that text box, right? It should be active. So that's what e.focus do. Whenever the game starts, the area is active, then only you can type inside. So we kept it active. Now, the next line, if e dot get, okay, lower. This is to convert whatever we type into lowercase. Can you tell me why it is needed?
User can enter any text, so we need to make it common for all.
Yes, exactly. So even if the program should work if the spelling is right, not based on uppercase and lowercase. Whether he types in uppercase or lowercase, anything, everything is being converted to lowercase so that we can compare it with lowercase characters. That's it. Right now, what happened is in the list also, these are all not in lowercase. First letter is in uppercase only. But then again, Everything is being converted to lowercase, so it will not affect our program. So this is like a common thing we do usually when the user input is involved, so that it should work in all conditions, irrespective of the cases of the letter. Now what this line says is e get lower is equal to colors1. Colors1 is the index here. If you remember my class, first class, you may also understand what is indexing. I will just define it. But right now, if I explain this, it would not be like complete. Let me finish the program, then I'll properly explain what is the need of this colors1 lower and all. And what is this colors1? Maybe Kathy ma'am understand what it is.
Yes, ma'am. I am words with this.
Yeah. So, okay. So whatever we have just now created, we are going to delete it as well. We are clearing the space for the next colors. That's it. Okay, now next line. Random. We are using the random library that we have imported in the beginning. Random.shuffle. That's an important point in this game. It will always shuffle the colors of the list colors that we have created. We have a list colors. This particular line, random shuffle, will always make it shuffle. So when you shuffle, this colors1, indexing of colors1, right now one is blue, but after each shuffle, this is going to change. That's how exactly we change everything, like the text and the colors. We'll come to that. Let me finish typing and I'll properly explain. Now here we go with the label config. This line is for the change of colors of our system string of our text. I'll explain that as well. Text is what? str
String.
string colors index 0. I'll explain this. Okay. Basically, I'll just quickly explain this as okay. This label is not from the beginning. It's after. Why the tab is not working? Okay, it's after the tab only. Yeah. So see, if you quickly understand this way, this color1, do you see when the score increased? If the color1, whatever we have typed is matching color1. So this is the line after the shuffle, always this color, whatever is in first position. What is the first position? 0th position is red. 1 is blue, 2 is green. That's how we do the indexing of the list. So 0 is red and 1 is blue in this case. After the shuffle, obviously the colors is going to change. But colors1 is the one. Whoever is going to be instead of the blue is going to be the color which is like written on the screen. Along with that, sorry, not written. What? It's FG. It's text color is going to be the color of the color which is in the first position, and the text would be the 0th one. Right now, if I say red would be written in blue color. Okay, let me just finish the program, then I'll explain this once again. Am I audible to all of you?
Yeah.
No one else is responding. That's why I asked. Are you typing, Nishita ma'am and Shannon ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, I'm with you. Actually, this is new to us, so we are not able to answer your question. We are not having that much knowledge of Python.
I understand, but I'm explaining. I'm not exactly asking.
Yeah.
I'm explaining. Let me know if you doesn't understand anything that I'm explaining. Right now, you may not understand because we are in the half of the program. But
Yes.
By the end, like you have understood the calendar thing, right? Last time we have
Yes.
done.
Yes.
The same way, I'll explain it again after we type everything. Okay.
Yes.
So right now, again, we have a score there. It's like accessing the score. Let it be there. Now next is there were two functions we talk about, countdown and next color, right? So we'll go for the countdown now. Let me check if the countdown, yes. Next function is our countdown. Here we define it. We would need the time left. Now the countdown happens when the time left is greater than 0. Obviously, yes. If it is 0, then no point of countdown. Now, every time, if it is in play, time left is going to be minus or equal to 1. This is where we reduce the point. Again, time label. Text is equal to, but what should be written there? What is that? It's a string. And what is the string? Time left. As it is. The variable as it is we are calling. Coming again, time label dot. So once the timing is time left is 0, next it should restart after, not restart like in first go it doesn't restart, but if we play that again it should work, right? So that's why after 1 second, anytime if you play it will work. So like how to restart after 1 second. Otherwise it will stay at 0. Once you played, again when you try to play, the time left would be 0. So for that reason. So it's after each 1 second, you can start playing again. Okay, now here we are going for the main code. Anything that you doesn't understand, I'll explain after typing everything. I will explain the whole sort of code again. Then also, if you doesn't understand, you can let me know. Okay. So the main code is here. Whole Tkinter library, we are right now saving it as a root. This is just variable. You can type it as anything. Okay. Now, what was the title of our program? Color game it was written. So I will go for the same color game. Okay. Or title I was spelling control. Right there. And next is our size of the same. Into, I think I need to paste. Now next are the instruction, like type in color of words, not the exact text like that. And it's a label. Tkinter, calling Tkinter. Text is what? Type the color, not the text. Okay. So that's it. Now that is done. Instructions, whatever we are called, instructions, whatever here we are called, we are packing it as well. Whatever we have typed, we called it. Now next is the score. Oh, spelling mistake. Next is our score label. Yes. So this is why it is score label, because when you play first, the same area where score was displaying the same area, it in the beginning it is press enter to start. Then once you press enter, it becomes the score area. So it's the same area. If you want a separate area for the same, you can declare it as separate. You just need one more variable. That's it. The same thing, we are calling it back. Score label dot back. Calling the same. Done. Next is our time label. Here is where we are actually defining, okay, these are all labels. Before we have used all of them, What was it? Normal configuration. Chris. Here we have used score label. Here we have used time label. Down there only we are actually defining all of them. Click enter. Dot label. Root. Here we are also defining the font. Here we go for the label. Okay. Time label back. It's time label back. Next is our label spelling doesn't matches. Time label back. Now next is normal label. We have a normal label as well. Data dot label. What is next? Root, comma, font, same thing. So timeless was 12. This is 16. This is 60. Yeah. Okay. Now label back. Or back. Okay, that is done. Finally, E is equal to Tkinter dot entry, because a lot of place we have used E dot focus, E dot get like that. So whatever is our entry in the Tkinter, which means whatever is the input in the Tkinter, that is going to be in E. This is the final step where we are calling everything. Ending start game. Here we go E dot back. It's also done. E dot focus set to make sure the box is active. Then we go for type, final line, root dot main loop, calling all the Tkinter thing. Main loop is going to run. Okay. Now, previously it was showing a lot of error. Right now, I don't see any error in the program because eventually we have defined all of them. Let me run this. Where? Line number 25. I missed some. Here we go. The function, you need to define it with the full colon. Line number 38. Score label and the root press. How can you define that area? Press enter. Okay, I put an extra. It's wrong. Double it's coming. Okay. Type the color. Okay, spelling is wrong. Whatever it is. That will be color. State the color. COLOUR on the text. Everything else is. Tkinter isn't working. Okay, here we go. Right. Purple is okay. It works. Mine perfectly works. Okay. Have you finished typing the teachers?
Ma'am, can you just show the last one? No.
I am on the last line only. Just finish typing, then I'll quickly explain it everything again.
I think I missed out in between. I could define start game and can you just send it as a text document, this one, so that I can compare, because I think there is one glitch which I'm not getting it.
Will that be okay if I paste it in the chat box?
Not an issue.
Yeah, I pasted it in the chat box.
Can you show me your line number 9, please?
9? Okay.
Yes. I don't know why next color I am getting error.
See, it's because if definition is from the beginning, if is after a tab, which means this much indentation is there.
Yes.
And then you need to complete the finish the if line with the full colon. Next, press enter and countdown is inside the if. Okay.
Yes,
and then,
I did
and
the
the next
same.
color is outside the if.
Okay. Wait. I'll check.
See, check the indentation.
What is the output?
He's asking, what is the output? Who asked now?
Channel.
Okay, you are not able to see the output when I was sharing. Oh, I think I need to share the whole screen. Wait. Now see, if I run this, this is the output. I need to press enter to begin. Oh, it went. It worked once. I don't know why. What? Why is it working now? It worked. See. Now I need to type black. Then I got the score 1 extra score. Purple. Now if I type yellow, I'll lose a point. I will not have any point there. White is written in brown color, so I need to type brown. Like that.
Ma'am, can I share my screen? I'm not able to solve this one error.
Okay, show me.
This one. Tkinter.kt.
Line number what? Okay, did you mean TK? K, a small letter K. T is capital, K is small.
Okay, just a second.
Plate.
I think it's work. I hope so.
Okay, type it. Did you stop it?
No, I pressed enter.
Okay, do that again. With me also that was happening. Do 2-3 times. Press enter. Do once
No, it's
again.
stopping, ma'am.
It was happening with me also without any reason. Just try once again. Press enter.
Now.
Now you have a proper error there.
No.
Click somewhere on the error. Click somewhere on the red area. Next color. Come to line number 9, please. Do not close anything. Yeah, next color is showing you an error. Wait. It's a spelling mistake. Look at line number 9 and 11. Both doesn't match.
Okay, COLOR.
Anything. Both should match. That's it. Run now.
Either you use LOR or you said that's a variable. It's a variable name, so you'll have to use it accordingly.
Yes.
Click on this output screen and then press enter. Enter.
Yes.
Type.
Yes.
Type.
Yes, I'm getting it.
It works.
Score 1.
Now this I'm typing it as blue. No score increase. Thank you.
Random.
Yes, now who else is doing?
Label.
I am doing.
Okay, Vandana ma'am, you joined late. I'm assuming that you are not typing hello.
She is having a bad time. She's met with an accident and is on bed rest. Good that at least she has joined.
Thank you for joining, ma'am. Get well soon.
That is at least.
Actually, it's my virtual background. It's not visible. My behind me, my husband is also lying with a fractured leg.
Oh my god.
It's okay. I understand.
Color. Get this. I get it. School is closed.
If anybody want to share me the screen and clear the errors, then I can help you. And I need to explain the code once again. Nishita ma'am, did you really understood all the lines of the code or the working of the same? I think the program was working and Nishita ma'am left.
No,
She's there in the meet.
I'm still here. Don't worry.
Ah,
When my daughter comes and interrupts, so that time I become so mute. She actually passed the loo, so I'm just cleaning it up. That's it.
Please. And on ma'am,
Time label is
do you
equal
face
to
any error?
No.
It's done working?
time left
Yes,
is
yes.
equal to
Okay, fine.
string of
Only
time
Kathy
left.
ma'am left to do.
I'm almost on the last one.
Okay.
Config text. 1000 countdown. 40k. Yes, got it. Just trying to work on the error. That capital TK always gives me an error.
No, capital T doesn't works now. It's a we are calling the whole Tkinter thing. It's by default it should be
I
capital
know.
T and K small k.
And we always forget that. That's the problem.
If you want to share your screen, I can help you with the errors.
It's almost done. The last one. Please enter the start. Okay.
Run ma'am.
Now I'm running.
When you run, click on the screen, output screen once, then only press enter.
Okay. Parenthesis error. Where?
There are errors. Share me the program, then I'll help you.
Oh yes.
Share it, I'll help.
Just a minute. Is it visible?
Wait. Okay, now, yes. Yeah, show me. Run the code. Let me see the error. It's event. EVENT. V small. Is it small?
It's small
Okay,
only.
Yes, good. Time left is equal to 30.
Comparison
Yes.
left is. How come delete thinker end?
A dot delete 0. Tkinter dot end. Is it dot?
It is dot only, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, it is dot only.
Check. A dot
End.
delete DELETE 00. Is it 0 or O?
Yeah, it is 0. It
Tkinter
is 0.
dot
There.
end random
No, see, there is no space also.
No, yeah. Run it again, please. It could be also previous line errors. Wait.
8 minutes.
Unindent does not match with outer range.
4 plus 1.
Oh,
Outer indent.
I understand why there is an error.
This is inside. I got it.
No, you cannot delete it. What are you going to do?
No.
Press backspace. No, press backspace. It should match with the ifs. No.
No, this will be with the if conditions, right?
Along
this
with
should be
in the same
inside
line of if. In the same line of if.
Isn't it a part of the condition?
No. Backspace.
Okay, I took it that way.
All 4 lines. Yes, good. Score. Okay. Run now.
Same should come down also.
Down.
Colon missing.
Okay. Oh, score level is not defined because show me there would be a spelling stuff here. Come down. Score level is defined below. Scroll down. Check the spelling. It may not be matching. Score label pack. See why it is. See. Is it in the definition?
Score label.
See, listen to me. All lines after root is equal to Tkinter TK. From there onwards, you are in the main program. So it will start from the beginning, including that first line. Root.
This also.
Yes. These are the main program. And check the spelling also.
Okay, that is also right. Here also label L is capital for me. Here also score label L is capital for me.
Up there you have used. Okay, I see it all same only. You can run it once again and check. Run. Tkinter has no attribute. TKK small. Somewhere you have put it in line number 34.
Which line 34?
Somewhere it's K capital. I see. Root is equal to Tkinter dot TK. Root is equal to below. Come down. Root is equal to. Run it again, please. You have some other. It's a multiplication sign. It's a multiplication sign. It's actually into sign, na? Cross. Try with X. 375.
I'll also remove the gap.
Yeah, go. Okay, click on the screen and press enter. You don't have the inbox. Maximize the screen, please. Okay, you don't have the inbox. Check why it isn't there. It's completely working. You don't have the inbox. E-focus. Let me check which line is exactly the inbox.
Labels. These are all labels. Score time. Time left countdown. Nishita, how many functions did you create? Is it 3 functions or 4 functions?
Please Tkinter entry root. You have it. E.focus set is there. E.get lower is there. Scroll down a bit. Let me check. E.Tkinter.
Instruction is there. Back is there. Core label root. That is there. Font
Scroll
is
down,
given.
please. This is the final code of yours. Okay,
Yes.
there is some lines missing. Okay, maybe when I pasted in the chat box, it missed. No, it is there in the chat box. Check the chat box. Last 4 more lines are there. Root dot bind return.
Return statement of the. Okay, let me see that.
Just copy paste it.
Root blind.
Just copy paste.
Tkinter, then root blind, e-pack, e-focus, and main loop. That's it?
Yes. It should work now.
Yes.
Working? Okay. Just type some color and check if the score also working.
Okay,
working?
file. No, it's giving an error.
You stopped the sharing. I cannot see it.
No, my sharing was on.
And you went back to chat box now, maybe.
Maybe because of that. So the screen has come. But with that, I got this error.
Time label is not defined. Time label is not matching. L is small there. Otherwise, everywhere it was L capital.
32.
L was capital. Check. Also, countdown is also giving you an error. Wait.
Countdown, this is small.
Spelling. Okay. This time label, label L is capital. Somewhere. No, not that. Not that.
No, I'm just putting.
Not that. Inside the time count. Go to the count. Scroll up. Somewhere there was time label. Okay. Let me check which line. Last 2 lines, did you check? Last 2 lines together, there are 2 lines. Both should match.
Here is the time label. See, score label.
There is one
time
more.
Label.
There is one more.
Here again, there
it's
is
in
the
the
time
countdown.
label.
It's in the countdown.
Then
There's a countdown. See, there are 2 time label and both are L small. Make it L capital, please. Inside the countdown, definition countdown. Time label 2 times being used there. L capital. Run it again, please. Countdown also was showing you some sort of error. Okay.
The color is also not. The text is not coming.
Press enter. Press enter. No. Press enter. Then only it start. Press enter. Now it's not showing you. New color is not defined. There is an error. New color is not defined. Where is your new color?
New color is here. Import
No.
color
It's
starting
next
new.
color. It's next color. You are following it inside the start game. Inside the start game. No. Leave it. Okay, fine.
Here only if I change it will not.
It will work. Yeah. Yes, good. Check anywhere else we are using the same thing. I don't think so. Just run it and check. If it is using anywhere else, it will show you. Okay, press enter. Here we go. Type black. Okay, that's working. That is working. Everything is coming in black. Shuffle is not happening. Okay, happening. Working, right? Okay, shuffle is also working. And good. Right? Okay, now I'll explain the code once again in detail. I hope all of you are there. Sharon ma'am, Rishita ma'am, and Vandana ma'am.
Also, one thing that glitch I find is after the time left is over, we need to close the game.
Yes.
Which is not happening.
It's not happening?
No. See, the scoring has stopped, but it will allow you to type.
But the scoring is not improving now after that. And also the next color is not happening.
No, it is coming. Now see, I'm typing red. Let me do. Score is increasing. Again, blue.
Stop. Share it again, please. In mine, it wasn't working. Maybe
Yes, ma'am. Score is also increasing, and we are getting the next color as well.
It is not stopping. That's what I'm saying.
Are you sure? Let me check.
Ma'am, are you sharing, Khyati ma'am?
Let me check.
I'm sharing.
Let me check my program. Green. Okay, now my scoring stopped.
I'm just killing the program.
You are right. It's working, which means the time left thing is somewhere wrong.
It's somewhere a glitch in the time, and we have not written like what should you press to exit. So
no, that I understand.
If I look at the score, when the time countdown becomes 0.
Wait.
That line is not there. You go to countdown. It's not less than. It should be left is less than equal to 0.
Where is it less than 0? Wait,
no,
time left is greater than 0 is there, no? If
so
the time left is greater than 0, then it is working.
It is working. But when will you stop? And secondly, what is happening is the new color. It also needs to. It is only changing. So you need to put a stop over here also.
That I understand now. The next color also shouldn't work. But the next color, if you see the program itself, we have. Okay, I'll share the program actually.
I'll stop sharing. One minute. The delete key and the random shuffle, should it be inside the if condition or it's outside the if condition? I'm talking
delete
about the next color.
Delete is outside the if. Delete, random, label, all 4 lines are outside the if, which is perfectly right now there.
And is it outside the definition also? That should be a part of the color, right?
If it is outside what?
Should I put them outside like this?
No. It's inside the
because that will not.
Only.
Because the if condition and that are dependent on each other.
Yes, exactly. That's not the point. Okay, let me share my screen. I'll try to clear this error right away. This error is not there in the actual program given to me. Let's check in this. If it is not able to solve, then I'll check in that program. Now see, here in the next color only works if time left is greater than 0, right? So basically, as you said, it shouldn't work if the time left is like 1, 0, because it shouldn't, because we have done that. But why it is working? Focus.
No, it's not working in countdown. What is happening is
next color is also working, na? Countdown.
No,
your
error is coming because of your
indentation.
New color is working.
This same is next color. That's what exactly I'm saying.
It's because of the next color. So we need to put in the countdown inside the new color as well.
We are, what is our time left? In the beginning, it is 30, right? Now, time left, we are calling inside the next color as well. If time left is greater than 0, only the whole thing works. So, why that thing is happening?
No,
The
but
score
then
was
end is not
increasing, you
happening
said,
because
right?
there's no delete. Your
Focus.
delete is not happening. You understand?
Hmm. Let me check if the score is okay. That everything works. Let me check. Now the time left is 0. Normally, if I type now, it shouldn't work.
You make it red. It is working.
But the score is not increasing. That's what I just now noticed. Before the score also was working. Right now the score isn't working.
Put green.
So the
Put green.
No. Yeah. Sorry. Was I typing wrong? I was thinking about. No, it's not working now. It's not working. Time is not working, right? Sorry, the score is not working, right? Am I right or
the
wrong?
score is working.
Huh?
Put yellow. Put yellow.
It's not working. It's 3 still. Whatever you put. So we have solved that. Now we need to solve the next color thing, right?
But that is not solved for us. We all are having. For me, both are changing.
Now, before it was changing. Right now, I changed the program. See, I have put this if inside the previous if. Now it's solved. You also check. Put before it was like this. Now I put a tab there.
That's what I said. That condition. Exactly.
Right now I solved it. Now the score issue is solved.
Get color is after the time, right?
Now the next thing we need to solve. What is next? Random shuffle colors label. So again, it's okay. If we put all the stuff inside, then it should work, right? Okay. Let's try this way. If it works, then great. 어떻게 보는 게 볼까? Okay, am I sharing? Are you able to see my screen? Yes, no? Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Why? What was that? Okay. Network error. Is there a network error? Okay, there was a network error from my end. Okay, right now what I'm going to do is I'll make it 10 so that we can quickly check it's working. Am I available? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, now? I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are going ahead. Okay, I made it 10 so that we can just quickly run and check. It's not happening. The whole thing is not working. I need to make it backspace. Okay, here we go, pink. White. Okay, brown. Now the time left is 0, black. I'm not able to type. See, I'm not able to type.
So where did you make the change for typing? Can you highlight the area where you made the change? Hello.
Where do we need to make changes exactly?
Nishi, one change so I could figure it out. काउंटडाउन ये तेरा न्यू नेक्स्ट कलर वाला जो ये बनाया ना तुमने फंक्शन निशिता
हाँ सुन रही हूँ मैं, बोलिए बोलिए।
हाँ हाँ न्यू कलर नेक्स्ट कलर फंक्शन में हमने एक इफ कंडीशन डाली है टाइम लेफ्ट की और दूसरी कंडीशन डाली थी गेट द कलर। दो कंडीशंस डाले ना, तो अगर टाइम लेफ्ट 0 है तो ही कलर गेट करने जाएगा। तो इस अर्लियर दोनों इफ कंडीशन वन ओवर द अदर थी, दे वर नॉट इंटर रिलेटेड। सेकेंड इफ कलर तभी लो जब ये चेंज हो जाए, टाइम लेफ्ट इज। तो व्हाट आई डिड वाज, I'll just share. I'm not able to hear you, Ambati.
Sorry.
Ambati ma'am.
Have you solved the issue? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, no, not all. I just told them where. See, this I have changed. Nishita. Yeah, these two lines of after time.
Got it.
ठीक है? The second one I did not get.
शैनन भी है
तू बोलती नहीं है, इसलिए
तो
मैंने
मैं तो बोला ही सकते हो ना।
अच्छा सॉरी शैनन, you did you get it?
हाँ, very good, thank you.
Okay, I think I solved the issue. Let me just quickly check the right time.
The second one I did not get it. What you did?
Okay, I think it's solved now. Let me share my screen. The second thing I have done is all four things. Before I tried putting inside this if, right now I put it outside this if. So right now this is the indentation. Watch carefully this particular lines. I made it 10 so that I can quickly check it's working.
Got it.
So that you don't need to change, so that I don't need to wait for 30 seconds. This thing, this lines, inside the first if only score plus 1. The rest everything is outside the sub if.
For second if.
Second if, yes, exactly. And now check you all, it should be working. I'll show you. I'm running the program and I have made it for 10 seconds so that I can quickly check.
You 10, I have made it
Is
for 5
working.
seconds only.
Then you will even not get the time to type. Okay, now see, the time is 0 on my screen. If I type black, oh wow, it started working.
But my screen is there. I got the screen, but my time is gone.
See, it's working. I type black, but even if I
No,
press
no.
enter, nothing is
My
happening.
time only is gone. I'll have to check where is my time. The
5
text of
seconds
time
is
is
too
gone.
low. I think it's done. Should I explain the code quickly to everybody to understand it's working?
I think we understanding the code.
Huh.
1 minute.
Ma'am, if
Ma'am,
it is,
yes.
I don't know about others, can we understand the code in the next class? It will take time, and as of it is, means I have to leave anyhow, but within 5 minutes. Now my baby started
Okay.
crying a lot.
Okay, fine, fine.
So I need to give her something to have. If possible,
Yes,
can
yes,
we,
sure.
if it
Yeah,
is convenient to
yeah.
others, I'm sharing my view.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
If it is comfortable, can we do it in the next
Yes,
class
yes.
properly?
Yes, sure. Sure, ma'am. Sure. You can leave the meet actually. Kathy, ma'am, what's your status? Is it working now?
No, now I'm getting some other error.
Okay,
So
thank you so
Nishita
much,
ma'am
ma'am.
said
I'll get you
should
in the
we take
next
this in
video.
next class?
I'll just figure this out. I have that Ida in my house. Yes.
Share me the screen, please. Rest of you, if you are busy, you can leave the meet. In the next class in the beginning, I'll quickly explain the code.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Kathy ma'am, you can share me the screen. Let me
Ma'am,
see.
see you in the next. See you in the
Yes,
next week.
bye, bye. See you
Yeah,
tomorrow.
sure. Bye. Take care. Yeah, bye. Take care.
See, this is what you
Okay.
said, right?
Ah, yes, exactly. Yes.
Okay. Now my problem is when I do this, my counter is lost.
Press enter first of all.
As soon
No,
as I
no.
press enter, I get an.
It's an unknown color. That maroon.
One minute.
Maroon
I
doesn't
think
have. It's
I'm
not
on
a
the
color.
wrong. Let me run it again. Put my
Press
cursor
enter.
here. And as soon as I press enter, I get an error.
It's for the color maroon. It says it's unknown color. Just change the color to something else.
Till previous one it was working. Maroon was there.
It's okay. It's okay. Maybe that could be a slight thing. Put white also. Pink will do. Press enter. Here we go. Working. Why doesn't it show you time
My
left?
time is not. That's what I said. My time is gone.
Why?
That's what I said. As soon as I did what you said, my time is gone.
Mm.
See, time left is still there. New color may. Countdown is here. My countdown is working. Time left is a part of the countdown. It's greater than 0. There is no change in this.
Where is the time left configuration? Time left. It is there.
You know,
And you did not change anything, right?
time left configuration is here.
That's what exactly. Yeah.
Color,
it's
next
there.
color, it have not changed anything.
I think it's
It's
just
not
a
working
glitch.
here. Now if I move it back,
But there, nothing is related to time label area. That
the
particular
config for
area.
that is there now.
No. That's not. Press enter.
Still not.
No, that's not even related to time left there. That thing is not even related to that. Why you lost it is below time label. Time label configuration, it is not much.
Here, time label configuration is here. The cursor
And
is
before
on
it
that
was
one.
there, right?
No, I have not changed anything.
And why isn't that
1 minute. Label.config or time label.config?
No, that's not that. I don't see a error visibly there. It should show you this stuff. Oh, I did not pasted the feedback. All of them left now. I'll share you the feedback link. Please share them through the
Yeah.
WhatsApp or group or something and ask them to fill it, please. Kathy ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Am I
Yeah,
audible?
still it is. Yeah, I'll do that.
Kathy ma'am, am I audible?
Yes. Am I not audible?
Hello. Kathy ma'am.
Hello.
I have shared the feedback link in the chat box. Kindly share it to the others as well in the WhatsApp or something. Right now it's not working now. Time left is not working. Okay.
Do I
Anyway, in the next class also we are going to take the same. I'll at least explain in the beginning.